Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to put the chain back on your ATV or dirt bike when it comes off. Stay. Okay. First you gotta grab the chain, at least for this part. This one's the super simple one. You just gotta set it on there. But first you gotta take this cover off of it. And this one's the harder one. Try to This one's a little bit harder to set up. Once you think you have it good, hold on. Try getting it on this side. On this. Then you gotta. Whoops, sorry. It dropped. Oops, it fell. Oh, whatever. Well, whatever. Hold on. Let me get my rolling stool out so you can see me. There we go. So, you got it. You can either do it on the top of the gear or on the bottom. Doesn't really matter. Just gotta, once it gets started, if it doesn't get caught in the bolts, you just rotate the wheel, and then it'll pop back on. It's good as new. And that's how to change your, that's how to put your chain back on when it comes off.